Hi, I am Team Central Sarah Weber, and I'm here today with our very own Chief Growth Officer, Andrew Park. And we are going to dive into some of the facts and frequently asked questions of Team Central. Andy, today we're going to talk about Microsoft's Dataverse and why I would use Team Central when I could integrate my Microsoft platforms through the Dataverse as it stands.
Yeah, thanks for asking that question, Sarah. We're big fans of Dataverse and Microsoft technologies in general. We're a Microsoft partner and actually part of the founders group within Microsoft for startups. And so the Dataverse is a really interesting concept. The idea is to create a standard data schema that maps to various data sources across their applications and their portfolio. And by doing that, you create this common data model across various solutions like Dynamics 365 CE, which is customer engagement, and Dynamics supply chain management. It used to be called finance and operations. Dynamics Business Central. And so those are all applications we work with on a very regular basis. And the Dataverse is intended to store data in a structure that allows each of those systems to communicate and understand data structure that the others have. There are syncing mechanisms, both one directional as well as bidirectional. They call it dual sync or dual write, and that tends to work pretty well. Also, I would say that it's pretty limited right now to kind of golden path data sync types of operations, right? Commonly used data sync situations between those different Microsoft platforms. And in a lot of cases that works just fine for companies, but companies that have some sophistication in their process where they've had to add some custom fields, maybe they're communicating with applications outside of a Microsoft product. That's where Dataverse sometimes needs to be augmented with an integration platform as a service like Central. Central is actually built on Azure services, so we fully understand how Dataverse communicates the syncs and the strengths as well as the limitations. And when you get into really complex, even customized data sync operations, hybrid environments where you have both on-premise and cloud systems that you're trying to connect, or you're talking with you're trying to get data passed and managed between Microsoft products and non-Microsoft products. That's where Team Central and our central IPaaS platform really comes in handy and does a nice job for those clients.
Thank you for that wonderful answer, Andy. So now we all understand a little bit more how Microsoft's Dataverse works in tandem with products like Team Central. Again, I am Sarah Weber, and if you have a question you would like us to answer about Team Central or IPaaS products, please feel free to reach out to me on LinkedIn or at sarah.weber@teamcentral.ai, and we will feature your question on our frequently asked questions podcast. Thank you.
Thanks.